In this video guide, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 8 from scratch. If you have any data on your hard drive, it is a good idea to back up your data now, as any data you have will be wiped out during this installation process. The first thing you need to do is turn on your PC and place your Windows 8 DVD in your DVD-ROM drive. If your first boot device is set to DVD-ROM drive, then the installation process will begin automatically. However, if it's set to boot from C drive or your hard drive, then it will skip the DVD, in which case you need to keep an eye on your startup screen, and then you will be given instructions on how to select your boot menu. For example, on my screen you can see it says press escape for boot menu. So press your appropriate key to enter the boot menu, and then you need to select the DVD-ROM as the boot drive. As the installation process begins, you will see a new Windows logo and a rotating progress bar at the bottom, and then eventually you'll end up in this Windows setup screen. From this screen you will select your language, time and currency, and the keyboard or input method. So make your selection and then press next. I'm going to choose English United Kingdom. Keyboard or input method will also be selected as United Kingdom, and then finally I will press next. In this screen, basically you have two options. You can click install now or repair your computer. But since we're doing a clean, fresh installation, I'm going to click install now. So here you will see setup is starting. In this screen you need to enter your product key that came with your Windows 8. So I'm going to go ahead and type my product key. Once you have typed your product key correctly, press next. In this screen you get the license terms. So tick I accept the license terms and then click next. Now here you'll get the option to choose the type of installation you want to do. It says which type of installation do you want. Upgrade, install Windows and keep files, settings and applications. Or custom, install Windows only, advanced. Since we are doing a clean install, I'm going to select custom, install Windows only. Now from here you need to select where you want to install Windows. Since I have only one hard drive, as you can see it's listed here, drive 0 unallocated space 60 GB. So I can just choose this drive and then click next, but for the sake of demonstration I'm going to click on drive options, then new, and then I'm going to create another partition. So I'm going to type 30,000 megabyte and then click apply, and that will create another partition which will be 30 GB. So here you get a dialog box pop up which says, to ensure that all Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partitions for system files. Just click OK. So now we have created our partition of 30 GB. As you can see, it's listed here as 29 GB and primary partition, and this is the system reserve partition which Windows 8 creates, so you don't have to worry about that. Basically it puts various system files on this drive, but this
created using Powtoon.